Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of a plus b plus c is equal to what, where ab is equal to 35, bc is equal to 56 and ca is equal to 40. Okay, ab is equal to 35, it is called equation 1, bc is equal to 56, it is called equation 2, and ca is equal to 40, it is called equation 3. Now multiplying equation 1 times 2 times 3, we can write here AB times BC times CA is equal to 35 times 56 times 40. Okay, or now a times a is a square times b is b square, and similarly c times c is c square is equal to 35 can be written as 5 times 7 times 56 can be written as 7 times 8 times 40 can be written as 5 times 8. Okay, or a square times b square times c square is equal to 5 times 5 is 5 square times 7 is 7 square times 8 is 8 square. Or now we can write here a times b times c whole square is equal to 5 times 7 times 8 whole square. Or now taking a square root on both sides, we can write here a square root of a times b times c whole square is equal to a square root of 5 times 7 times 8 whole square. Obviously here plus or minus, or this cancel out this, so here we will get a times b times c is equal to this cancel out this, so here we will get plus or minus 5 times 7 times 8. So finally we will get the value of a b c is equal to plus or minus 5 times 7 times 8, and it is called equation 4. Okay, now divided equation 4 by equation 1, we will get, we can write ABC over AB is equal to plus or minus 5 times 7 times 8 over 35. Or this a cancel out this a and this b cancel out this b, so here we will get c is equal to plus or minus 5 times 7 is 35 times 8 over 35. Now this 35 cancel out this 35, so we will get the value of c is equal to plus or minus 8. Again divided equation 4 by equation 2, we can write here a b c over bc is equal to plus or minus 5 times 7 times 8 over 56. Now bc cancel out bc, so here we will get a is equal to plus or minus 7 times 8 is 56, so we can write here 5 times 56 over 56. Now this 56 cancel out this 56, so here we will get a is equal to plus or minus 5. Now similarly divided 4, equation divided 3, we can write here a b c over ca is equal to plus or minus 5 times 7 times 8 over 40, or C cancel out C, A cancel out A, so here we will get B is equal to plus or minus 5 times 8 is 40 times 7 over 40. Now 40 cancel out 40, so the value of B is equal to plus or minus 7. So we are find out C, B and A. So we can write here A plus B plus C is equal to A, that means plus or minus 5. So we can write here plus or minus 5. B, that means plus or minus 7. So we can write here plus or minus 7. C is plus or minus 8. So we can write here plus or minus 8. Okay. So finally we will get the value of A plus B plus C is equal to plus or minus 5 times 7 times 8 is 20, and it is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.